back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, yes, welcome back to another part of Chronicles. You don't know, says a girl nation. Of course, you don't see the pictures of beaches I'm gonna take to. All right, Wolipa Beach, yeah, waiting and thing in Jamaica. So watch this entire video. You're gonna learn about my favorite one and you can come to, you know, yeah man, boom. Guys, so you don't know the things that my friend here. Oh, all right. So of course you guys know I'm from Jamaica, hence the accent, which me still not hear myself. But anyway, I live in Kingston, Jamaica, and in Jamaica there are 14 parishes, and for today I'm going to take you to a very nice chilling parish, not only known for their beaches but known for their food. And of course you so see, yes, so get your towel and get your book, and you might need a pen to jot down because you're coming to Jamaica, right? And when you get here, please holler at your home girl. Yeah, you don't know, we have a different accents. Of course, see here on the screen, beaches in Portland. So I'm going to take you to Portland, of course, Port Antonio. Some of the beaches there are private, which you have to pay a small fee, might be smaller or huge or whatever, and some is public. Now the first one I'm going to take to you guys, I've been to all these beaches. Yeah, but two I love two, but one you have to watch this entire video to find out. The first on the deck, of course, number 5, Sansan Beach. This is a private beach 7 miles out of Port Antonio. Great for scuba divers. They love scuba diving, horseback riding. And guess what? There's an island close by the name of Monkey Island, Plin Island. Also, they have another name for it too. Yeah. Monkey Island is because of, you know, Alfred and the colony and some monkey they made fine over there, so they just eat Monkey Island. So it's from those colony of monkeys that belong to Alfred and him place over the island. All right. So that's why they call it Monkey Island. So this beach, of course, is great for parties, great for weddings, ventures. Of course, you want to go and as I said, scuba diving, the food, and there are villas close by, so you can't done this in a day. You can rent a villa and of course go back and check out, because there are islands and there are also reefs, right? So you can spread your wings. Number 4, Long Bay Beach. Long Bay Beach, of course, this is not a pay promotion. Let me clarify all of that out of the, but Negril also got a Long Bay Beach. I don't know if it's because of the long on the bay and the beach, whatever, but yeah, also in Negril there. So of course this is another wonderful beach, great scenery, and near to Jerk Center. Of course the Jerks, you know, me a bellies, right? So check out this, and of course another great beach to go and make memories with your families. And guys, you can never finish Jamaica. You come already, come back again. Number 3, Frenchman Cove Beach. Who have been to Frenchman Cove? Comment down below. Of course, Frenchman Cove Beach, great for weddings as well, parties. Oh my God, you have a video shoot to do? Hey, here is the place. I mean, photography, boom, you got it. You can get steamed fish, jerk fish, pork, all the jerk mouth watering. Some birdies, them have to come in pan that a while ago. You might have to pay a fee though, because it's private. All right, so it's not open to the public. You have to pay to get in, and as I said, it's very affordable though. You don't have to worry about that. And great, so take pictures and the waters. Number 2, Boston Beach. And when you hear Boston, you hear Jerk Center. Boston, of course, home of jerk. Guys, Portland is the home for jerk. I am a Kingston and I'm just making that declaration. Portland is the home for jerk, and Boston Beach Guys, you can never have enough. Now Boston Beach, I love it. Another amazing jerk center. You can book for the water sports, but you know the water here is like rough, so you gotta know when to do, when not to do, and all, don't see. And this beach is small, so also great for day-to-day chilling and relax with the family. See my favorite here, boom bang bang, Blue Lagoon Beach. I spent the weekend here with my mom and my sister, and it was amazing. I had a wonderful time here at Blue Lagoon, and let me tell you, Blue Lagoon, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. God bless my mom. She passed on and she made sure that we had a fantastic time growing up. This beach, my favorite of this beach is, guess what? The water changes. I mean, the blue, you have, I mean, it's just magnificent. You can't, the water just, you're just there and you wonder. They said there is a creature that live below. I'm not sure about that. So water, and it's salt water and all them things there, salt, fresh water. Come down there, man. So you see me reach the end of the video. Blessings and love you. Have your honeymoon on a Blue Lagoon. Thank you for watching. This is Niche, of course. Another part of video just come to an end. And remember, please to join me on Morning Glory each morning at 6 a.m. Of course, on weekends, you see the date right there. Games night this Thursday at 7 p.m. Take care of yourself. Walk good. Love God.